Guys, so I've just caught this one, the Puma helicopter. Just flew right past my house at around 3,100 feet. Got quite a good shot of it. Here he is now. It looks to be going up to Barton. I'll just track him and make sure of that, because then I can put it in the title if it's going to Barton and things. So nice catch. I've not really seen a Puma a lot. I remember seeing one at R.A.F Valley in August, but it was a bit too far away for me to film, as I filmed with my iPad back then. But anyway, I've got one now, so that's really, really good, and I'm going to be able to share it with you guys. Mum, I'm filming. Puma helicopter.
Where are you? Where are you? Right, come on. Time for your schoolwork. Why do I have to be in those? It's good, this one. And Mrs. Graham's done your tour at school. What?